I have a bunch of projects with different clients. I have hours worked and I want to sum them all up, all of the hours paid and worked by the client. So I want to create a little table here of each client. So I'm going to do unique equals unique. I'm going to take the range of all of my clients here. And there I have each of the unique clients. I'm going to say, how much have they paid altogether for all of these projects? So equals SUMIFS. I particularly like to use SUMIFS because it is a little bit easier syntax than SUMIF, oddly. So my sum range, what am I actually going to add up, is going to be this C column. What is the criteria range? That's going to be my client list. And what is the criteria is this particular client, and in that. And that's SUMIFS. And I'm only summing one particular thing by one criteria, only this one client name, but I'm still using SUMIFS just because I like that syntax a little bit better. And I'm going to hit enter and it's going to ask me to autofill. I will just copy and paste each of those. And that is all of the paid hours here, 135. We can check that, 135. But how much have I worked? I'm going to do a very similar thing here, equals SUMIFS. Sum range is going to be the hours worked, comma, criteria range is going to be that client E column, and criteria is going to be that client name again. So just shifting one single column, which is which of the columns am I summing up or adding up. Hit enter there, and again, to copy paste each of these. Now, I don't necessarily want to add up the difference column. I want to make sure that this difference is for everything. So I will, in this particular case, equals paid minus, and have that difference there. And see, oh, I've worked 2 extra hours for Fred across projects. Actually, only one project for Fred. But this is going to be able to show you by client all of that added up information. But again, you can do that with diff if you want, the exact same way as we did with SUMIFS. But I like to do the math here just to double check that we're doing it right.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.